My name is Ken Wirigi, and the project was a learning analytics policy. In the project, we were 2 members, and I first of all would like to appreciate our collaborators, the Skills for Prosperity, the Open University, and UK Aid. The team members are Ken, myself, and Dr. George Onyango. In the introduction, learning analytics, it is the collection of analysis of educational, collection and analysis of educational data with the intent of identifying the trend that will be recommending an effective way to improve learning experience. So these analytics are retrieved from virtual learning environments. The data that is used to obtain these analytics will be obtained from virtual learning analytics such as LMS. And for Kenyatta University, we use Moodle. This is where we will retrieve the data. So from the benefit that we have seen from other universities, such as maintaining academic quality, improving students' retention, monitoring progression and completion, we intend to harness the benefits and also get appropriate interventions that we can give our students based on what their learning trends are, as identified by the learning analytics. The rationale to our project was that the university has not been using the student data to address the issues such as poor performance. Many students perform poorly, and lecturers do not know how to assess them because they don't know which students are not learning. The other rationale was dropout rate. Many students drop out or call off the semester, and the university doesn't have proper data why this is so and do not know how to follow up. And the other is the poor completion and retakes, personalization in learning, and monitoring students' engagements. Lacking of this personalization and student engagement leads to poor completion rate, and this affects performance. There are several retakes which result to this, and the learning analytics will resolve these issues. The methodology that we used, we had several discussions with the team members, and were able to finalize on different ways to approach the policy. We also reviewed several learning analytics policies and procedures that are being followed by other universities, and were able to get advice on the best way to approach ours. And through mentors, they played key role in guiding us the best way to approach the project. And I would like to thank Dr. Alman. He mentored us and we were able to achieve our goal. We also engaged other peer reviewers, the e-learning coordinators and IT staff. And through them, we were able to get feedback which assisted us in developing the policy. The results, we have a draft policy which contains these areas. It has the background. You have mentioned the rationale in it, the goal and objective, scope, guiding principles, and the policy provisions. The achievement, we have a draft Kenyatta University Learning Analytics Policy, which this is the cover page of it. And, in the policy, we have covered the background information of the university, the history, the fundamentals. Let me just to quickly brush through it. Then the objectives, the guiding principles, the core values, that is the university, then the background of our project, the purpose of the policy, the scope, definition of terms, and then the principal statements within the policy. So it is covering ethical issues, responsibilities that the university will have to endure, inclusiveness, transparency, engaging students in any requesting to consent for the to consent for the use of their data. Then you have free and fairness, data validity, confidentiality. All these aspects are covered in the policy. Then the challenges that we encountered being the first policy in the region, there was no point of reference on issues that affect data collection. And we're able to mitigate this through our mentors. They provided us the guidance that we needed. And our takeaway, the learning analytics has important place in achievement of student learning outcomes. And through mentorship, we got the opportunity to share the experiences and learn from mentors. Their guidance was really insightful in developing the policy and also how we will approach it. The way forward, we intend to build capacity within the university to educate people about the learning analytic policy and create a learning analytics dashboard that will comprise graphical representation of actual student learning status from analysis of the educational data, then to continue benchmarking with other universities so that which have successfully implemented their learning analytics so that we improve ours to a level that we can be best at it. Thank you. Thank you.